Plastic waste is choking the planet. But what if we could replace it with something alive? Swiss scientists have created a new material that's flexible, biodegradable, non-toxic, and still very much alive. It's called LFD, Living Fiber Dispersions, made from the mycelium of the split-gill mushroom. Not only is it eco-friendly, it continues to grow, self-heal, and even strengthen over time. This mushroom-based gel can be molded into thin films, compostable bags, and even biodegradable batteries. It's incredibly strong and it actually gets more stable as it ages. And because it works as an emulsifier, it could be used in foods, creams, and cosmetics, all without harming the environment. Yep, it's completely edible too. No toxins, just pure fungi-powered innovation. This isn't just a plastic alternative, it's a whole new way of thinking about materials, alive, responsive, and inspired by nature itself. The future of materials might not come from oil, but from the forest floor. Like, share, and comment if you think this living plastic could help save the planet.